You cannot be a product manager if you don't know the product. Okay, so for example, I make YouTube videos, right? And I've been making it for the last 5 years. So every video which I put out is a product in itself. It's a digital product which I build. Every time I plan a video, it starts from research. Then it goes into ideation, scripting, filming, post-production, marketing, everything, right? So it's a complete product life cycle which you have to go through. I'm just giving an example. I'm not saying I'm a product manager, but what I'm saying is you need to understand the product in order to become a successful product manager. So if you want to become a product manager of a company which is building a generative AI model on top of Llama, which is Meta's open source LLM model, you are building something on top of it, maybe a chatbot solution, then you need to understand how LangChain works, how Hugging Face you could use, all those different modules, how these different technologies come together, how APIs could connect to each other. You should have basic understanding of that, and along with that, that's your technology, but along with that you need to understand how the market forces are working, what is your competitive advantage, where you will be positioning your product into the market, how you will be pitching or selling this to your stakeholders, to your external customers. So a product manager is kind of that person who's a mixed bag of business, strategy, technology. If you make a pie, it would be the intersection. If you make these different circles, it would be right at the center of all these things. So a very important role. I find it very interesting, guys. Any product manager, give me a shout.